If a tiny scratch could ruin your Galaxy S26 Ultra's stunning display forever, would you risk it? Today I'm sharing the 15 best Galaxy S26 Ultra screen protectors that save your screen from scratches, cracks, and daily wear. Welcome back to the channel. Grab your favorite through the links in the description. The number 15 product on our list is Maxdara Privacy Screen Protector. Strangers do not need to read your messages while you are standing in a crowded train. That uncomfortable feeling disappears the moment this privacy screen locks into place. Designed for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it darkens side angles so only you see what matters. The auto-alignment frame makes installation smooth and bubble-free, saving time and frustration. Touch sensitivity remains responsive after re-registering fingerprints and adjusting display settings. Compared to standard clear tempered glass, it slightly reduces brightness but adds a layer of discretion many users appreciate. Ideal for commuters, professionals, and students who value both scratch protection and privacy in daily public spaces. At number 14 is LYWHL Screen Protector. A single scratch can steal the joy from a flawless display. This tempered glass shield restores that peace instantly. Engineered specifically for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it fits edge-to-edge while remaining case-friendly. EdgeForce technology strengthens vulnerable corners, reducing the risk of cracks from accidental drops. Military-grade shatter resistance adds serious durability without compromising clarity. Touch response stays sharp, and fingerprint unlock works smoothly after setup. Compared to privacy glass options, this keeps full brightness and crystal-clear visuals but does not hide side angles. Installation feels effortless with the included alignment frame. Ideal for users who want strong scratch resistance, vibrant display quality, and reliable everyday screen protection without complicated application. At number 13 is Uyiton Screen Protector. Bright sunlight can turn a stunning display into a mirror you cannot read. This matte glass changes that instantly. With advanced anti-glare, nano-etching technology, reflections soften and outdoor visibility improves without washing out detail. The AG frosted finish resists fingerprints and smudges, keeping the Galaxy S26 Ultra screen clean during gaming or scrolling. Touch response stays smooth, and ultrasonic fingerprint unlock works reliably after resetting settings. Reinforced with aluminum-infused glass and strengthened through multiple processes, it withstands heavy daily stress. Compared to glossy tempered glass, it reduces glare dramatically but slightly softens sharpness. Ideal for gamers, commuters, and outdoor users who want durable screen protection with a comfortable glare-free viewing experience. At number 12 is UniqueMe Screen Protector. A flawless display deserves armor that disappears the moment it's applied. This tempered glass shield rises to that challenge. Built with 9H+ military-grade shatter resistance, it defends the Galaxy S26 Ultra against scratches, edge cracks, and daily impact. The fast fingerprint unlock technology keeps touch response sharp, so unlocking feels instant and natural. Installation becomes surprisingly simple with a breathable alignment system that reduces bubbles and dust. Full coverage design strengthens weak edges where cracks usually begin. Compared to matte options, this keeps vibrant clarity and sharper visuals, but offers less glare reduction. Ideal for users who want durable screen protection with crystal clear viewing and smooth biometric performance that feels effortless every day. At number 11 is AACL Screen Protector. Screen protector installation should not feel like a stressful exam. This automatic alignment design turns it into a simple pull and press moment. The tempered 9H glass forms a durable shield over the Galaxy S26 Ultra, defending against scratches and everyday wear, while keeping visuals crisp. HD clarity preserves vibrant colors, and the ultra-thin build maintains smooth touch response for gaming and scrolling. It is case-friendly, leaving room for most protective shells, though those wanting full-edge coverage may prefer other styles. Compared to privacy or matte options, this keeps brightness and sharpness at their peak. Ideal for users who want quick bubble-free installation, reliable scratch resistance, and a clean screen experience that feels almost untouched. At number 10 is JETech Screen Protector. A tiny speck of dust can ruin the entire installation and your patience with it. This tempered glass changes that story instantly. The one-step alignment tool places it perfectly on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, minimizing bubbles and frustration. Built from 9H high hardness glass, it forms a solid barrier against scratches and daily abrasions. The hydrophobic and oleophobic coating keeps fingerprints and oil from clouding your screen. Touch response remains smooth after re-adding fingerprint settings and activating touch sensitivity. Compared to matte protectors, this keeps colors sharper and clarity brighter, though it does not reduce glare as much. Ideal for users who want quick installation, crystal clear visuals, and dependable everyday screen protection without complications. At number 9 is UltraGlass Screen Protector. Your screen holds private messages, bank details, and memories that should never be on display for strangers. This advanced privacy glass narrows the viewing angle to 25 degrees, keeping side glances in trains and offices from stealing your information. At the same time, 9H Plus aerospace-grade tempered glass forms a second shield over the Galaxy S26 Ultra, built to handle serious impact and heavy scratches. Installation feels surprisingly simple with automatic alignment and dust removal technology. Compared to standard clear protectors, brightness is slightly reduced, yet privacy and durability increase dramatically. Touch response and fingerprint unlock remain reliable after setup adjustments. Ideal for commuters, professionals, and anyone who values strong shatter resistance with discreet everyday screen protection. At number 8 is Hoerrye Screen Protector. Your private messages should never become public entertainment in a crowded room. This privacy glass steps in with a strict 24-degree viewing angle, turning side glances into darkness while keeping the Galaxy S26 Ultra display clear for you. Precision thickness supports ultrasonic fingerprint unlock after re-registration, so speed stays intact. Military-grade 9H tempered glass and reinforced edges add serious resistance against scratches and daily drops. The plasma oleophobic coating keeps smudges under control. Installation feels surprisingly simple with the auto dust removal system that aligns smoothly in seconds. Compared to standard clear protectors, brightness slightly decreases, yet privacy and impact defense increase dramatically. Ideal for commuters, students, and professionals who need discreet viewing and durable screen protection in everyday environments. At number 7 is TORRAS OrigArmor Screen Protector. Sunlight is the ultimate test of any screen, and most protectors fail the moment you step outdoors. This anti-reflection glass changes that story with nano-coated AR technology that keeps reflectivity incredibly low, so maps and videos stay vivid even under harsh daylight. At just 0.23 millimeters thin, it preserves the natural feel of the Galaxy S26 Ultra while remaining fully compatible with ultrasonic fingerprint unlock. Aerospace-grade 9H Plus glass and ion exchange strengthening deliver serious drop and scratch resistance, making it a strong contender among the most trusted Galaxy S26 Ultra screen protectors this year. Installation feels refreshingly simple with the 3-step kit that reduces dust and bubbles. Compared to standard tempered glass, brightness and clarity noticeably improve, though. The premium build does raise the price slightly. Ideal for outdoor users, travelers, and perfectionists who want protection without sacrificing visual brilliance. At number 6 is YWXTW Matte Screen Protector. Bright light can turn a flagship display into a mirror, and that daily frustration is real. This matte glass transforms the Galaxy S26 Ultra experience with micro-frosted etching that diffuses glare from every angle. Reading outdoors feels easier. Gaming indoors feels calmer on the eyes. The ultra-thin 0.2mm design supports ultrasonic fingerprint unlock at near-original speed once re-registered, so responsiveness stays sharp. A nano-matte coating delivers a silky glide while resisting sweat and smudges during long sessions. Built with reinforced 9H Plus tempered glass, it handles keys, gravel, and unexpected drops better than standard clear films. Compared to glossy protectors, reflections drop significantly, though colors appear slightly softer. Ideal for heavy gamers, commuters, and anyone sensitive to glare who wants durable Galaxy S26 Ultra screen protection without sacrificing smooth touch. At number 5 is WSKEN Screen Protector. Most screen protectors promise smooth touch, yet the moment you install them, fingerprint unlock slows down. This tempered glass keeps the Galaxy S26 Ultra feeling almost untouched with a slim 0.24mm profile that supports ultrasonic fingerprint and face unlock after proper setup. High transparency glass preserves true colors and sharp detail, so streaming and scrolling look natural. The oleophobic layer keeps smudges under control during long days. Installation feels surprisingly quick with the auto alignment kit that reduces bubbles and dust in seconds. Reinforced edges and military-grade strength add reliable scratch and drop resistance for everyday accidents. Compared to cheaper films, clarity and responsiveness are noticeably better, though careful fingerprint re-registration is essential. Ideal for users who want clear visuals, strong daily protection, and a smooth unlocking experience without complicated installation steps. At number 4 is Ringke Screen Protector. A single grain of dust can ruin a brand new display, and that frustration hits hard. This tempered glass steps in with a custom-fit installation tool that guides placement smoothly, reducing bubbles and misalignment. Built with 9H hardness, it shields the Galaxy S26 Ultra from keys, coins, and daily scratches without adding noticeable thickness. The high transparency layer keeps colors vivid and text sharp, while the oleophobic coating minimizes fingerprints during long scrolling sessions. Touch response remains quick and natural, making gaming and typing feel effortless. Its case-friendly design leaves just enough space around the edges, pairing well with most protective covers. Compared to basic films, durability and clarity stand out, though it lacks privacy features found in specialized options. Ideal for everyday users who want balanced protection, clean visuals, and an easier installation experience. The third one on our list is ESR Privacy Screen Protector. Your screen should feel like a personal space, not a public billboard in a crowded train. This privacy glass narrows side viewing angles beyond 28 degrees, turning curious glances into darkness while keeping the Galaxy 2026 Ultra display sharp for you. Built with durable Armorite tempered glass, it withstands serious pressure and daily drops without sacrificing clarity. The UltraFit tray and cleaning kit simplify installation, guiding the protector into place with minimal bubbles or dust. Nano-adhesive technology helps it sit flush, preserving smooth touch response. Compared to standard clear protectors, brightness drops slightly due to the privacy layer, but discretion and impact resistance rise significantly. Ideal for commuters, office professionals, and students who handle sensitive information and want dependable Galaxy Ultra screen. Protection without complicated setup. On number 2 is Spigen Screen Protector. A tiny scratch can steal the joy from a brand new display in seconds. This tempered glass restores that peace with impressive 10H plus hardness built to handle keys, coins, and daily friction without flinching. Designed specifically for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it preserves original brightness and color with crystal clear transparency that keeps streaming and scrolling sharp. The oleophobic coating reduces fingerprint buildup, so the screen stays cleaner during long days of use. Installation feels guided and controlled when you follow the included video, helping avoid bubbles and misalignment. Its case-friendly design pairs smoothly with protective covers, especially within the same ecosystem. Compared to budget films, durability and clarity stand out, though it lacks privacy filtering. Ideal for everyday users who want reliable Galaxy Ultra screen protection, smooth touch response, and simple long-term durability. Now moving to the last one is TORRAS Uncrackable Privacy Screen Protector. In a world where one sideways glance can expose your private life, this privacy glass redraws the boundary. Built with an ultra-narrow 25-degree anti-spy filter, it keeps your Galaxy S26 Ultra display visible only to you while fading out from the sides. The 0.23mm ultra-thin design works seamlessly with ultrasonic fingerprint unlock after re-registration, preserving natural speed and touch. Military-grade 9H plus aerospace glass and reinforced edges add serious impact resistance, surviving drops that would shatter ordinary films. The one-pull installation frame simplifies alignment, reducing dust and bubbles in seconds. Compared to standard clear protectors, brightness dips slightly due to privacy layering, yet discretion and durability increase dramatically. Ideal for professionals, commuters, and anyone handling sensitive data who want strong Galaxy Ultra screen protection with discreet, everyday performance. So guys, this was the video about the 15 best Galaxy S26 Ultra screen protectors. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.